You have thousands of unread emails clogging up your Gmail, and it is honestly a disaster for your productivity and your digital storage limit. I'm going to show you exactly how to wipe every single one of those unread messages out in about 30 seconds. But you need to stick around until the end, because I have a specific filter trick that stops these junk emails from ever hitting your inbox in the first place. Most people ignore their inbox until it hits that dreaded storage full warning. And by then, you are usually forced to pay for a monthly subscription just to keep receiving new mail. This happens because every promotional newsletter, social media notification, and random receipt you never opened is sitting there eating up tiny bits of data that eventually turn into gigabytes of wasted space. Think of your Gmail like a physical mailbox at your house. If you never threw away the junk mail and just kept shoving it back inside, eventually you wouldn't be able to fit the important letters that actually matter. To fix this right now, open Gmail on your computer and look at that long search bar at the very top of the screen. You need to click on the All Mail in the search section. In the drop-down menu, find and click on Unread. This instantly filters your entire account, so you are only looking at the stuff you haven't opened yet. Now, look just above your list of emails for a small empty square checkbox. When you click that box, Gmail only selects the emails on that specific page, which is usually only 50 messages. But if you have thousands of them, you must look for the blue text that appears right above your emails that says, "Select all conversations that match this search," and click it. This is the most important step because it ensures you are targeting every single unread email in your entire history, not just the ones on the front page. Once everything is highlighted, go ahead and click that trash can icon to delete them. Gmail will show you a confirmation pop-up because you are deleting a lot of data at once, so just click OK to proceed. If you have a massive amount of mail, you might see a message saying that the rest of the conversations will be moved to the bin in a few minutes. Do not panic if the number doesn't drop to zero instantly. The system is just working through the backlog in the background. Now, here's that pro tip I promised you. To stop this from happening again, use the search bar to find the word unsubscribe. Select all those results and create a filter that automatically archives them. This way, newsletters skip your inbox entirely, and you never have to do this mass deletion ever again. If you want to keep your account even cleaner, you should learn how to set up automatic labels so your important work emails never get lost in the noise again.